English is very important. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. But how can you improve your English speaking? Let's find out. First, practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, your family, your teacher, or even by yourself. You can talk to yourself in English by saying simple things like, "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." This is a great way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Listening is very important. When you listen, you learn new words, how to say the words, and how to make sentences. You can listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to English radio, and watch English TV shows. You can also visit places where people speak English and listen to how they talk. Third, read English books. Reading helps you a lot. When you read, you learn new words and sentence patterns. You can read easy books, children's books, newspapers, magazines, anything in English. And when you read, try to read out loud. This helps you with speaking too. Reading with a friend and reading to each other is also a great idea. Fourth, write in English. Writing is another good way to learn. When you write, you practice making sentences. You can write a diary, letters to friends, emails, or even short stories. Try to use new words when you write. This will help you learn faster. Fifth, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes when learning something new. When you make a mistake, you learn from it. Ask your teacher, your friends, or your family to help you. They will tell you the right way to say things. Don't be shy. The more you speak, the better you will become. Sixth, think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, speaking becomes easier. Start with small things. When you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." When you are hungry, think, "I am hungry." This simple practice makes a big difference. Seventh, learn new words every day. The more words you know, the more you can say. Use a dictionary to learn new words and write them in a notebook. Try to use the new words in sentences. This will help you remember them. Eighth, speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it's easier to say words correctly. It also helps people understand you better. Take your time. Think about what you want to say, and say it slowly. Ninth, join an English class. A class can help you a lot. You can learn new words, grammar, and practice speaking with classmates. Your teacher can also help you correct mistakes. 10th, have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you enjoy learning, you learn faster. Play games in English, sing English songs, watch funny English movies, and talk to your friends in English. Having fun makes learning easier. 11th, use technology. Today, there are many apps and websites to help you learn English. You can practice speaking, learn new words, and improve your pronunciation with apps. You can also watch YouTube videos and take online courses. 12th, make English-speaking friends. Having friends who speak English helps you a lot. You can practice with them, learn new words, and learn about different cultures too. And it's fun. 13th, watch English news. Watching the news helps you learn about the world and learn how English is used in different situations. You can watch news on TV or online. 14th, join an English-speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet to practice English. You can meet new people, practice speaking, and learn from others. 15th, travel to English-speaking countries. If you can, traveling is a great way to practice. You will have to speak English in hotels, restaurants, shops, and everywhere you go. It's a fun way to learn. 16th, use flashcards. Flashcards help you learn new words. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other. Practice them every day. 17th, record yourself speaking. Listening to yourself helps you hear your mistakes and improve. You can also ask a teacher or a friend to listen and give you feedback. 18th, mimic native speakers. Listen carefully to how native speakers talk. Try to copy their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. It will make you sound more natural. 19th, read aloud. When you read aloud, you practice speaking. It helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. 20th, practice with a partner. Practicing with someone is very helpful. You can correct each other's mistakes and learn from each. 21st, use a mirror. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth movements and expressions. This helps you feel more confident. 22nd, participate in online forums. Join online forums where people talk about different topics in English. You can write comments, ask questions, and practice your English. 23rd, write scripts for conversations. Plan and write your conversations in English. Practice them by saying them out loud. It will help you feel more prepared. 24th, learn about different cultures. Understanding cultures helps you understand how people use English differently. It will make you a better communicator. 25th, set goals. Set small goals like learning 5 new words a day or practicing speaking for 10 minutes a day. Goals keep you motivated. 26th, reward yourself. When you reach your goals, give yourself a small reward. It makes learning more fun. 27th, be patient. Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Practice every day and don't give up. 28th, use English in your daily life. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to your pets in English. Think in English as much as you can. 29th, find a language exchange partner. Find someone who wants to learn your language. You can help each other practice. 30th, join online learning communities. There are many groups online where people learn English together. You can practice, ask questions, and make friends. 31st, use language exchange apps. There are apps that help you find English-speaking partners. You can chat, call, or even video call them. 30-second practice pronunciation. Focus on saying words correctly. Practice slowly and carefully. Listen to native speakers and try to copy them. 33rd, learn common phrases. Learn phrases people use in everyday life. This will make your English sound more natural. 34th, immerse yourself in English media. Surround yourself with English, TV shows, movies, podcasts, and songs. It will help you improve without feeling like studying. 35th, take note of your progress. Write down your improvements. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. It will keep you motivated. 36th, attend English-speaking events and workshops. Look for events where you can practice speaking. Workshops give you more chances to speak and learn.